let's head over to our classwork tab. We haven't talked about this tab yet, but this is also going to be one of the most important places that you are going to use if you are going to dabble and explore with Google Classroom. So this is where we are going to create a whole range of resources, assessments, quizzes, all kinds of different things that our students might need to access. So let's head over to Google Classroom tip number 7, and that is using topics for organization. So I'm going to show you how we can organize our Google Classroom so that it is nice and clear and structured so that it's easy for our students to be able to access the content that you are uploading and sharing on Google Classroom. All right, so the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on the create button here. So when you click on the create button just here in classwork, you will see that you have a number of different options. You will have assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse post, and topic. Now you can see that I've got a couple of others here with book widgets and Kami assignment. They are because I have extensions. I'm not going to talk about those in this episode, but they are additional features that I can use to elevate my Google Classroom even further for my students. So don't fret if you don't see those in your own Google Classroom. So Google Classroom tip number 7 is using topics. Now, I love this, and I think this is one of the best features in Google Classroom, and that is the ability to be able to create topics. So let's say that our Google Classroom is like our textbook. Our topics can be those chapters, they can be those segments, those units that we're going to explore with our students. And I think it is really great to be able to create an environment that is going to be easy and accessible for our students. So if you head down here to topic, all you're going to do is name the topic. So maybe we call this module 1. Okay, you can see that you have 100 characters. All right, so you will now see here that we have module 1. Let's go and add some more modules here. Module 2. I'm going to go and add another one, module 3. And the really great thing is you can create these as early as you like. You can create them as you're going and moving through a unit. It is so simple. So you can see here that I have 3 topics that I have created, module 1, module 2, module 3. If you're a little bit of OCD and you don't like the fact that the most current module is the lowest on your particular list, we can actually drag and drop these and rearrange these, which is a fantastic element of Google Classroom. So you can actually quite easily rearrange these, which is super amazing if you like to keep a very clear structure. So here we are, we have our modules, we have them in the order that we are looking for, that we know will be easy for our students. And then maybe once we finish module 1, we can move that to the bottom so that our students aren't getting lost and it's easy for them to find their work. Again, we have our 3 dots, which means it is really easy to edit. We can rename, we can delete, we can copy the link to this particular module, all right, and we can also move that module there as well.